Around the 70s, my grandfather was already coming back and forth from Cuba. He needed to find something to do. My grandfather got a job working in the plumbing field, and that's where he started learning about plumbing. From there, he worked a few years, and he decided to open his own company, which was Hernandez Plumbing. And he realized that a lot of the Cubans didn't know how to even start a plumbing company, anything about plumbing, and also started getting the code book and translating it into Spanish so that they could understand. And he started having classes at his house, and he was able to support my mom and my uncle and, make ends meet at that time.
For me, he was like a second father. Around November of '76, so that far back. And he had just started the business in '72, and her father at the time was, by himself actually, he was doing the irrigation of the house. So I started helping him, working with the trench, and then suddenly he turns around and says, "Hey, what are you doing? You want to start in a plumbing or whatever?" I said, "All right, yeah, I don't have a job, so basically Monday morning, just come up, And all I remember is getting home that day, which I didn't have a job, and telling my dad, "I'm gonna start in plumbing." He said, "Oh, wow, that's great,
I realized it was an opportunity where I could use the skills that I learned in business as far as developing more relationships, the marketing side, how to build out the budgets and create a better system in the company. And we already had the background from my dad doing good work. So when you combine those two, a good business plan and good quality workmanship, you get a great company.
I guess the tradition from both sides of the family. We're very strong in attitude and respect, showing up in time. That's something that we value. And doing a good job and being honest with our